Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the joint diameter and selecting waxed cotton thread about 0.5 to 1 mm thick. This ensures a snug, even layer. Once done, expose the tenon and clear any loose cloth. Anchor the thread with a secure double knot and leave a 2 to 3 cm tail so you can tension the first turns. Begin wrapping tightly toward the shoulder, keeping thread flat and overlapping each pass by 1/3. Pull consistent tension so the layer lays smooth and builds evenly. Continue wrapping by overlapping each turn about 1/3. This prevents gaps and creates a smooth, continuous seal that supports the joint. While you do that, maintain constant tension. If needed, rotate the flute with your free hand rather than varying pull force. Frequently stop and inspect alignment so small misplacements are fixed right away. This avoids lumps that affect fit. If you need more build, add successive layers the same way, always preserving the same overlap and tension for uniform thickness. To finish, trim the tail close to the wrap and secure the end with a neat knot. Add a small dab of clear wax or shellac so it won't fray. Once cured, reassemble the flute and test the rotational fit and pad alignment. Make sure keys seat evenly and the joint isn't too tight. If you encounter tightness or an air leak, remove the last layer, rewrap with slightly less tension, and retest. This troubleshooting step solves most fit issues without stripping the entire binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.